Go right there!
Go try it, Sade, please, just one time. Do it. Try it one time. You don't know what you're missing out on. It's better than fucking getting high, girl. Go try it. Sade, try it.
Come on.
Go, girl.
That shit's scary.
You have to live once in your life.
I did it. The first one.
It's your last year in high school.
Are you guys pressing pause on the boring part?
No. The one! Fast! The little one! Fast, girl! The little one! Fast! Go!
I feel like I'm gonna crash into you.
The little one! And then zoom! She was so tight. I did it so cool. Christopher Isaiah! And what's Nikki? Nikki! Christopher Isaiah! Nest! Fast! You can do it! You can do it! Fast! Fast! Oh, I don't see Isaiah though. Fast and go that way!
You wanna do it?
Go! Sade! Go try to do it. You go do it.
For you. It's hard. I can't. I wasn't looking. My face really that funny?
I don't know. She's like it now. Dang. Mine looks crazy. I know.
Because I can't see the other side. I'm like, I feel like I'm going to fly. I'm like, oh, God. Go right there. Ready, your turn.
When I jumped, I was hard to turn. What the?
Where are they at?
Right there. I see somebody's head.
Oh, Nini went with them. What's his name? So they're cool.
It's fun though, huh?
I'm hella scared because I feel like I'm going to go flying.
No, bitch. I went flying. And I didn't know to let go
I
of the
went
bike.
flying.
Look. I didn't know if I should let go of the bike.
I hope I got that shit. Oh, fuck.
Bitch, why was you recording every fucking moment?
Did you record it? I